everyone you invited.
Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel Cocktails and Mocktails Factory. This is Amit, your दोस्त and host. उम्मीद है आप सब लोग अच्छे हैं और वेट भी कर रहे थे मेरा नया वीडियो के लिए। तो आज लेकर आ गया हूँ आप लोग के पास एक नया रेसिपी, नया कॉकटेल का। और आज का रेसिपी का नाम है पिंक लेडी। ये स्पेशली मैं बना रहा हूँ वैलेंटाइंस डे पर्पस के लिए। ये आप आराम से बना सकते हैं, बहुत ईजी है बनाने में। इट्स वेरी कन्वीनियंट टू अरेंज द इंग्रेडिएंट्स सो दैट यू कैन प्रिपेयर इट एंड गिव अ सरप्राइज गिफ्ट टू योर लव्ड वंस in this special Valentine's Day. So let's see क्या क्या ingredients लगता है. But before that, again I want to tell you all, please do subscribe, like, share my channel and also write comment in the comment box so that I'll also come to know how you are liking my videos. And share, definitely share with your friends so that they can also see and enjoy. So let's start today's video and today's recipe. The name of the cocktail is Pink Lady. So for that what we require, the main base alcohol is gin, and with gin we are using Grenadine Syrup, which you can easily get to know how to prepare it at home. No need to buy it from the market. So for that you can easily go to my another video where I have already shown how to prepare the Grenadine Syrup. I'll just give the link in the description box. You can go and refer to that link and you can find that video to know how to prepare Grenadine syrup. With that we will be using cream, and we are also using, as I told you, the main alcohol base is your gin. So let's start today's recipe. So first I will take the shaker. In the shaker I will give ice. With ice, I'll give 1 ounce of Grenadine syrup. Now I'll give half ounce of fresh cream. One ounce of gin. That's it, friends. So now it needs to be shaked. So let's shake it. It's done. So the final stage, I have to pour it in the glass and to serve. Pink Lady is ready for this Valentine's Day. Prepare it and you can definitely get a good comment and compliment from your loved ones if you give a surprise. So just do it and let me know. Oh hi, I am extremely sorry, I just forgot to tell you how it tastes because I was very excited to see and enjoy this special drink along with this special cake, which is also very big. You can see I'm already in the mood of Valentine's Day. I'm sitting with a pink balloon and my drink is also pink. It's a pink lady. And if you see my cake is also pink. So today it's everything pink, and love is in the air. So I'm excited, and I'm already preparing myself, and I'm prepared. My one is great. So I've tasted. It's very good taste. The acidic nature of pomegranate from this grenadine syrup, and sugary texture will give a bit sweetness, and the dry gin. So all together it's a very romantic kind of taste is coming. So please prepare this at your home, and do let me know writing in my comment box you like it or not, your partner like it or not. And don't forget to watch my videos, subscribe, like, share, and also don't drink and drive, and drink responsibly. Enjoy your Valentine's Day with your Valentine. I am totally ready to start my Valentine's Day. Hope you will enjoy and share your comment with me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.